First time kong matakot warap sa media. Anyway, thank you for coming. We just wanted to announce something today. We are releasing a NAPOLCOM resolution on the preventive suspension of General Macapas. If I may, I'll read it first in toto. In the case of summary dismissal case number CO-2025-0012 for grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer, Elakim T. Patidongan, as represented by the Inspection, Monitoring, and Investigation Service, or IMIS, National Police Commission, complainant versus Police Brigadier General Romeo J. Paz, Police Regional Office Number 12, Camp General Polino T. Santos, Tumbler, General Santos City, funded. Resolution. This resolves the request for preventive suspension incorporated in the sinumpaang salaysay ng pagrereklamo of complainant Elakim Nadulan Patidongan, complainant for brevity, filed before the Inspection, Monitoring, and Investigation Service, or IMIS, of the Commission on August 14, 2025, against Police Brigadier General Romeo J. Macapas, respondent for brevity, assigned then as Director of Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, and now as Regional Director, Police Regional Office Number 12, Camp General Polino T. Santos, Tumbler, General Santos City. In this case, complainant Patidongan claimed that the respondent knowingly and willfully obstructs, impedes, and frustrates the investigation of the missing Sabongeros case by unlawfully taking his cell phone and of his brother Jose Patidongan and refusing to return the same without any valid reasons. Moreover, respondent altered the messages contained in the cell phones by deleting some of the messages. He even allegedly concealed the SD cards of the cell phones despite knowing that these are material evidence in the missing Sabongeros case. This present complaint is related to the pending admin case against several police officers filed before the Commission. Moreover, complainant alleged that considering respondent's high position and influence as Director of CIDG, now PRO 12 Regional Director, and the gravity and seriousness of the offense committed, a preventive suspension order against him is warranted to avoid possible miscarriage of justice. The Commission finds the motion meritorious. Section 1, Rule 16 of the NAPOLCOM Memorandum Circular Number 2016-002 provides, thus, preventive suspension of the respondent by the disciplinary authority or the IAS. The concerned disciplinary authority or IAS, upon motion of the complainant, may, at any time after a case is formally filed but before the submission of the complaint's position paper or conduct of clarificatory hearing, place the respondent on preventive suspension for a period not exceeding 90 days under the following circumstances. A, that the charge is serious or grave and the evidence of guilt is strong. Or, there is evidence to show that the respondent taking efforts to harass, intimidate, coerce, or unduly influence the complainant or his/her witnesses into withdrawing the complaint or retracting the sworn statement against the respondent or to tamper with the evidence. The allegations against respondent concerned grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer, including alleged collusion with police officers involved in the alleged killings of the missing Sabongeros. The gravity of these accusations, if substantiated, would constitute severe violations of the norms expected of members of the Philippine National Police. Additionally, the preliminary evidence and factual allegations supporting the request for preventive suspension point to a level of involvement that satisfies the threshold of serious or grave charges and strong evidence of guilt as contemplated in the above rule. However, the Commission emphasizes that the grant of preventive suspension is not tantamount to a finding of culpability on the part of respondent, The imposition of preventive suspension is not a penalty, but a protective and procedural measure intended to preserve the integrity of the investigation, prevent any undue influence or interference in the proceedings, and assure the availability of evidence and witnesses. It serves to protect both public interest in the administrative process while allowing the case to be resolved on its merits in a fair, impartial, and expeditious manner. Accordingly, the Commission, after a careful and judicious evaluation of the records and the motion, finds that there exists substantial legal and factual basis to warrant the grant of the motion for preventive suspension. The gravity of the charges, the preliminary showing of strong evidence of guilt, and the necessity to safeguard the integrity and impartiality of the proceedings collectively justify the imposition of preventive suspension against the respondent. Wherefore, premises considered, the motion for preventive suspension filed by complainant Elakim T. Patidongan is hereby granted, and thus, Police Brigadier General Romeo G. Macapas is hereby placed under preventive suspension for a period not exceeding 90 days, effective immediately upon receipt of this resolution. The Chief PNP or his duly authorized representative is hereby directed to implement this order immediately and to submit proof of compliance to the Commission within 5 days from receipt thereof. So ordered. Signed, Juanito Victor C. Rimulya, Secretary DILG, ex officio Chairperson, NAPOLCOM. Attorney Rafael Vicente R. Calinisan, Commissioner, Vice Chairperson and Executive Officer. Attorney Ricardo P. Bernabe III, Commissioner. Attorney Beatriz Aurora A. Vega Pancho, Commissioner. Police Brigadier General Josephus G. Angan, Retired, Commissioner. Attested by Director Maylene M. Igilos Caluya, Acting Staff Service Director, Legal Affairs Service. Salamat po.